So today is National Inventors Day. We thought it'd be the perfect time to announce the Geek Builder Junior giveaway. This giveaway goes along with the Can Crusher video that Little Man made here last week, and you can find that video right here, which is where he introduced
Mr. Smashy Pants, my Can Crusher prototype.
So you want to see what you guys can come up with for a Can Crusher. Come up with your own version of a Can Crusher, and this is what you're going to do. Post a picture or video of it on Instagram with the tag GB Crusher Giveaway and tag Geek Builders on the post as well. The giveaway in the contest is going to end on March 2nd at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And we're going to take a look at all the entries, and we're going to do a random drawing to see who wins this.
It's a Thrill Ride Knex Infinite Journey roller coaster building set.
Yes.
It's gravity powered.
So this gravity powered roller coaster set is what you'll be able to win when you enter that giveaway. Did you know that the inventor of Knex, John Glickman, created and came up with the idea for Knex when he was sitting at a wedding playing with straws?
Whoa.
So we want to see what you can invent and come up with for this giveaway. The giveaway is open to U.S. residents only. So get together with your kids, grandkids, nieces, nephews, neighbors' kids, whoever you can find, and start building. So it isn't mandatory that you build it with your kids or somebody else's kids, but we want to try to encourage it because here at Geek Builders we're really kind of about doing things together as a family and as a community.
Yeah. Ooh. Correct.
So you have roughly about 3 weeks to do it. Get your ideas together and start building.
Don't forget to show how it crushes the cans.
That's right. So in the meantime, please subscribe, follow, and share. Check out the YouTube channel. Make sure you check out the original YouTube video where all this got started. And we can't wait to see all of your entries. Take care.